Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a professional Gmail signature with image, social icons easily in 2025. Go to your browser and go to this link below in description. Select Gmail. Choose your signature template. I select this template. Update your information here. After updating your information, click Apply Signature. Now, click Copy the signature template. Now go to your Gmail settings, the top right corner of your Gmail profile icon. Go to Signature option and create new. Input the name of your signature. I input my signature. Paste the signature template here. Then, click Signature Defaults. Select my signature. Now, click Save Changes. Now click Compose. See email signature added successfully. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.